Bluebird was living in his cage, not allowed to go his own way. Suddenly, one day, a red bird was passing by. She said, "Hi." Bluebird was happy to have a friend. Redbird was glad to see Bluebird, and Bluebird wanted to be free, so Redbird could fly with me. He would close her eyes and picture Red and Bluebird's fly. Bluebird's owners didn't like what they see. Close the blinds, blocking Redbird from me. They claim bluebirds should be with bluebirds. Bluebird wonders why. He would close his eyes. Why can't red and bluebirds fly? Time passes by, but the pain just won't die. Bluebird wants Redbird, though they can't be together. Bluebird still will cry. Why does color matter? Birds were meant to fly.